Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So as you can tell from the title of this video, we are gonna be... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is, okay, y'all already know my name. My name's Angelica Fitzgerald. I just dropped my curler on my table and made a mess and cleaned it up, and now we're here. So as I was saying, we are going to be using the 32mm rose gold curling wand by Foxybae. Now this is only my like 8 millionth video reviewing a Foxybae product. I'm gonna run out soon. I'm almost reviewed them all, seriously. Now if you have been a subscriber to my channel for basically since the beginning, my first hair review video ever was reviewing their 22mm curling wand, which is just a little bit smaller than this. So I'm not expecting like the world's biggest difference between the two curlers, but I do want to see what kind of curl I get. And the Foxybae video of me reviewing the 22mm wand as of right now when I'm filming is like 3 years old, like is old. So don't watch it. Watch this video. Real fast before we get into styling my hair with this curler, I just want to share what I'm using to protect my hair and then what I'm using at the end to keep my hair held all day. So I'm going to go in with my Cool AF Heat Protectant Spray by Foxybae. I'm just going to spray this all over my head. Friendly note if you're new to this spray or if you're contemplating ordering it, it is very wet, which I know they're all wet, but it's not like a misty spray like most other hairsprays. So hold it far away from your head so that your hair is not actually wet, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm gonna use this before I curl my hair. If you don't use this, I recommend a heat protectant spray of some kind. Just don't curl your hair with a heat styling tool without a heat protectant spray unless you won't be bald in 10 years. And lastly, I'm just gonna go in with my Kerastase medium hold hairspray. It is amazing. I have been sharing this on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram, which I'll attach my Instagram handle right here, since the beginning of time. Since I first started styling my hair, I've almost gone a whole decade of continuously using this because it's just the best, like plain and simple. So those are the only two products I'm going to use in this video. I'm also going to have a hairbrush, but I'm sure you have a hairbrush if you're watching this. And then of course my 32mm wand. So if you're ready to curl your hair or see how well this does curl your hair, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to keep up with my future videos down below. Now let's get started. I will never get over how pretty Foxybae tools are. I mean, they're for sure hands down like the most aesthetically gorgeous hairstyling tools like on the market. Holy moly, she's thick. She is thick. I'm not used to a curling wand this big. I've actually never owned a curling wand this big. Okay, so my wand is turned on. I am gonna heat it up to 360 degrees. And while I wait for that to heat up, I'm just gonna go through my hair and spray some heat protectant spray everywhere. Oh, the stuff smells so good too. Just that's like an added bonus, but it will not disappoint in scent. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through and brush my hair out real fast. Now I am gonna do the quick version of curling my hair because I mean I could do the long version if you want, like the long version of how to curl your hair and get bouncy curls. I made an entire video on that already. I will link it up here somewhere wherever the card pops down. But realistically, if I want to use this product, unless I'm like going to an event, I'm not gonna do the long version. So I'm gonna show you how I realistically would use this a couple times a week if I were to use it, which is gonna be so easy. It's gonna blow your mind how easy this is. You're probably gonna wonder, like, she needed to make a whole video for this. But yeah, that's how easy it is. So my barrel is all heated up. So I'm just gonna go in piece by piece. If you've ever seen another curling video of mine, this is exactly how I basically go in with every curler I have and wrap it around. Now you always, if you are totally new to my hair videos or totally new to Foxybae or wanding or curling in general, you always want to curl away from your face like I did here. If you don't understand what I mean by that, I'll show you in my next curl. And you don't need to hold it that long unless you want like a really tight ringlet curl, which most people don't want. So, ooh. All right, I really like this. I really like this. Every curl turns out like this, then we are in for a successful video. We also don't want to brush our curls out until the very end so we can let them sit in the curl for as long as possible. So what I mean by curling away from your face, if I were to curl into my face, I would put the iron here and put my hair like this inward. I don't want to do that because it's going to bring the attention to the jawline and chin of my face, and I want the attention to be brought to like my eyes and frame my face. So I'm gonna put the barrel behind my hair and wrap away from my face. Hopefully that makes sense. That's kind of the best example I have for you. Wow, these curls are really, really pretty. I'm not gonna jump to conclusion yet, but I might like these curls better than the 22mm wand. Oh yeah, I also want to note for a wanded hairdo, which I'm wanding my hair right now, if you didn't already know. The difference between wanding and curling, by the way, is that a wand does not have a clamp like a curler does. But for wanding hair, I always leave like 1 inch to 2 inches of hair, like this much, out at the end because that gives you that really cool, natural beach wavy look. I feel super weird doing my hair right now because normally I start on this side of my face, and for some reason I started on this side, so I feel kind of awkward. All right, but y'all pretty much get what I'm doing. I'm literally just picking up pieces all over my head that are about 1 inch to 2 inches width of hair, and just curling all around my head, holding each curl for max like 15 seconds, but more like 10 seconds. And that's seriously it. That's how easy this is. That's how I would curl my hair every single day. Well, I would never curl my hair every single day, but if I were to use this like weekly basically, this is how I would do it realistically because it looks really pretty, it's fast, and it gets the job done. Oof, oh my gosh, the one tough part about curling hair videos or hair tutorials is that it gets hot up in here between my curler and my lights behind me and my lights in front of me. I am sweating. Okay guys, I think this is the last curl. Thank God, I'm sweating so much. But y'all saw how simple this is. I mean, so easy. It does not take a professional to do this hairstyle. All right, guys, that is it. I'm going to turn this off so my room can kind of cool down a little. So I didn't really even need to brush the curls out for them to kind of just fall out by themselves. That's like the plus side when you're working with a curling barrel that's bigger, because the curls are looser, so they'll just kind of naturally do their thing. But before I brush them out, even though they're already brushed out, I'm just gonna shoot it with my Kerastase medium hold everywhere. And now y'all won't be able to see me, but I'm just gonna flip my hair upside down and kind of just tassel it around to make sure there's no like stuck curl. All right, guys, that is it. Oh my gosh, these curls are stunning. They are super loose. They're super natural. That's pretty much more so what you're gonna get when you do a wanded hair look. Now, if you do want more of a curl, then size down a barrel, do the 22, or is it 25? 25. I think I've been saying 22 this whole time. Do the 25 millimeter barrel, which is great. I have that as well. Up until this guy, that has been my #1 curling wand that I've used. And they are like a little bit tighter of a curl, but by all means, it's still like a natural beach wave look that'll loosen up. This is like very, very, very loose waves. And if you have hair that's gonna fall out fast, I would suggest the other one. I personally love this, like absolutely adore this. It's like my favorite kind of everyday curl. This is a really beautiful version of my everyday curl. And also, if you do want to use this barrel and you want the curls to be just a little tighter, you can always turn the heat up a little bit or hold the curl in the curling barrel for a little bit longer. I didn't do it that long because I really wanted a natural, like I woke up like this kind of hairstyle, which I think we accomplished. So I will link this curler down below. I forgot to mention, you can use my discount code to get 60% off of anything from Foxybae. So code FoxyAngelica works site-wide for them. So definitely, if you're going to get this curling wand or anything else from them, use that code because you'll save 60%. I will also link these two products down below. These are like a must with styling your hair. So other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was a little helpful, gave you some helpful insight on how to use this barrel, how to use a wand, how I think of Foxybae's wands. I mean, I love all of Foxybae's stuff. So if you have seen any of my other Foxybae videos, you pretty much know I'm gonna love it because they have great quality stuff. I have yet to try something from Foxybae that I hated or that I didn't like or that didn't work for my hair. So other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see any other specific type of video in the future, make sure to leave me a comment down below, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye!